a sunny field where the green grass sways lives a friendly sheep who loves to play. Cluck, 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 said the hen with a cheer, while the rooster crowed it loud for all to hear. The pig rolled in mud with a joyful squeal. The cow munched on hay, oh what a meal. Galloping by, the horse gave a neigh as the ducks made a splash in the pond. Hooray! In the barn at dusk, as the stars shine bright, all the farm friends gather to say goodnight. With a soft lullaby and a moonlit glow, the farm animals sleep as the night winds blow.